Welcome to this tutorial on backing fields in Kotlin. Today, you'll learn about one of the most important concepts when working with custom property accessors, the field keyword. Understanding backing fields is essential for writing proper getters and setters in Kotlin. Let's start with the basics. A backing field is the actual storage location behind a property that holds its value in memory. Every property you create needs somewhere to store its data, and that storage is called the backing field. Think of it as the hidden variable that Kotlin creates automatically to store your property's value. Here's a simple example. When you declare a property like var name equals John in a person class, Kotlin does something behind the scenes. It automatically creates a backing field to store the name value. You don't see it in your code, but it's there, holding the actual string value in memory. Kotlin automatically creates a backing field to store the name value in memory. This happens transparently without any extra work from you. However, when you start writing custom getters and setters, you need to explicitly access this backing field using the field keyword. Now let's look at custom accessors. Suppose you have an age property and want to validate that only non-negative values are stored. In the setter, you check if the value is greater than or equal to 0. If it is, you assign it to field. This field keyword is how you access the actual backing field within your custom setter. Here's why the field keyword is crucial. If you wrote age equals value instead of field equals value inside the setter, you would be calling the setter recursively. This means the setter would call itself over and over again, creating an infinite loop that crashes your program. The field keyword lets you access the storage directly without triggering the setter again. You can also use the field keyword in getters. In this example, the salary property has a custom getter that returns the backing field value multiplied by 1.1, effectively adding a 10% bonus. The setter stores the original value using field equals value. This demonstrates how field gives you direct access to the stored value in both getters and setters. Let's recap the key points. First, field references the actual storage location of your property. Second, use it to avoid infinite recursion in your custom accessors. Third, the field keyword is only accessible inside getter and setter blocks. You cannot use it anywhere else in your class. Mastering backing fields is essential for writing robust custom properties in Kotlin.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.